Hi all, my name is Harpreet Singh. My topic is detection of microexpression, fake and genuine smile comparison using MATLAB. And I will take you through the slides. Let's go. Well, I would say aim of this research is to find the real difference between fake and genuine smiles. As we are working on videos, what we will do, we will take, we will convert a video into different frames, then we will check every frame one by one. So in order to detect the variation in mouth and eye hair. Let's talk about history here. Charles Darwin in 18th century said, we have six universal emotions, which are happiness, surprise, sadness, anger, disgust, and fear. Even animals and humans both have these six universal emotions. By continuing his theory, Paul Ekman said, it is very hard to find if the expression is true or fake, as humans are very smart to fake their expressions. And he also found out the term microexpressions. You might be wondering what are microexpressions? Well, we all have microexpressions. Microexpressions are very quick. It only happens for like less than a second, and it is pretty hard to hide microexpressions. So this is why most of the poker players, like good poker players, they use this technique to determine which kind of cards their opponent has. So what is fake smile? I guess everybody is pretty familiar with this term fake smile. When a person pretends to be happy and give an expression of smile, we call it fake smile. And some people can detect it because they are probably expert in detecting fake smiles of people. But sometimes it's pretty hard to detect fake smiles because the micro expression happens for less than a second, so people can miss it. It's not a big deal. So, but our system that I'm designing is able to detect micro expressions automatically, which is the beauty of it. And let's discuss about my system. Here we go. This is my proposed work that I have designed in order to determine fake or genuine smile, or just to compare fake and genuine smile. First of all, I will input a video of a smiling person. As I mentioned, more the resolution, more will be the accuracy. Then I will convert video into different frames, more frames and more the accuracy. In each frame, I will check width and height of the mouth and eye pair area. As you can see, the little red rectangles representing width and height of mouth and eyes. Then I will draw graph according to the changes in height and width of both mouth and eye. And then finally, I will compare the results. In order to find changes in mouth, I need to draw a rectangle around the mouth in every single frame by using MATLAB's computer vision tool. And I will repeat that step from first frame to the last frame. Similarly, I will find the changes in eye phase using the same phenomena as I used in mouth, but the only difference is I will pass eye pair big as an argument in a function. Finally, copy all the outputs of width and height of a mouth and eye pair and paste it into Excel, and then I am able to generate graph. As you can see on the left side it is a graph of changes in mouth, on the right side the graph of changes in eye pair. As you can see, there are fluctuations in mouth, whereas there are fluctuations in eye pair too. So it seems like genuine smile. This is the key part of the system, analyzing the graph. Well, In order to analyze the graph, more results we have, more there will be uh, findings that can help really differentiating between fake and genuine smiles. At this moment, I only have 10 different smiles that I have gone through. But analyzing a graph, there is a formula that I have proposed. First of all, check the status of the smile, if it is fake or true. Then watch the patterns of the variations that, as we did in the last slide. Discover common variations. That means then compare what is common behavior in all fake smiles and then discuss what is common behavior in all genuine smiles. Check the coordination between mouth and eye pair. This is also important. If there is no variation in mouth, but there is variation in eye, that doesn't mean it is a fake smile. If there is variations in mouth and little variations in eye pair, then we can take it as a genuine smile too. But both should go together, and in the last, we can conclude findings. As you can see, evaluation. First smile, which is genuine, then graph. When I analyzed graph, it is saying fluctuations in both mouth and eye pair. Hmm, accuracy is good. The second smile is saying symmetrical variations in mouth and almost no variation in eye pair. Hmm. And the last one, the third one, which is fake smile, little change in both mouth and eye pair. Oh, so definitely the fake smile. Well, this is how uh, we can go through all the different results and compare the difference between genuine and fake smile. Hmm. It is similar to the previous slide. Let's go to the next slide. It is also similar to the previous slide. Let's go to the next slide. Well, here are the results of my findings. In genuine smiles, width and height of mouth fluctuates. In fake smiles, width and height of mouth is either symmetrical or with very less variations. In genuine smiles, eye pairs width and height varies, whereas in fake smiles, eye pairs width and height has less or no variations. Please ask me if you have any query regarding this topic. Thank you. Please ask me if you have any query regarding this topic. Thank you. In the last, I just want to say thanks to Dr. Chandana and Dr. Abhi for their ongoing support throughout this project. Without them, it was pretty impossible for me to get this project done. Thank you so much.